Guys, so I'm out with the golf again, and I can't clean the outside today, and this is my own fault because the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's my own fault. I've run out of snow foam. So Jodie from Maldeep, if you're watching this, I've done a whoopsie, and I'm going to be putting an order in. 5 litres this time, so that stuff is banging, by the way. Any products I mention in this video, guys, you can have 15% off. Yeah, I'll put the link down in the description. I will also put the discount code down in the description. So what you're going to see me do today, I've done the interior. Hey, she's looking gorgeous. She does look good. She comes up well. Look at the size of that screen, eh? Fucking huge. Excuse the language, guys. These videos aren't for kids, right? Or anyone sensitive to swearing. I'm a mechanic, I swear. So this one today is Maldeep Vision. Hold on. I've been told to slow down while showing these products. So there you go. Maldeep Vision glass cleaner. There is nothing really special or instruction-wise to go through glass cleaner. Let's go it on, bang it off. Dead easy, right? That's what I'm going to do with this. But I've also got one of Maldeep's waffle towels. Now these are the absolute epitome. Other than some fancy stuff, you don't need fancy stuff. Okay? And one of these, some Vision glass cleaner from Maldeep. Again, links down the bottom, mate. And that's it. And I want to see out my screens. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. There's Lace, look. Say hello, Lace. Say hello to the people. So a quick spritz on. Now read the instructions, of course, guys. I've done this quite a bit, but there they are. Make sure you follow them. Quick spritz. Oh, first bollock drop of the video. We're not going to edit that out though, are we? No, of course we're not. So like that, guys. I don't know how well the camera's picking this up. Get your waffle towel. All right. And as hand-fisted as I could be, being a knuckle-dragging mechanic that I am. Now, if the car was clean on the outside, you'd be like, well done, Rob. Done a good job there. But considering the car is absolutely minging on the outside, doesn't look half bad, does it? See, I love this glass cleaner. Love it. Fantastic stuff. 15% off. Code's in the bottom. I'm going to do the rest of the car now, guys. Again, let me just quickly show you these products. Kaboom. I need to slow down. Maldeep Vision. You don't need to worry about, oh, links are down the bottom. The waffle towel, again, Maldeep. The green and black giveaway, guys. Go and check them out. And then have a cheeky 15% discount on me, because why not? Because I can give you that, right? And I need to go and order some snow foam now. So 5 litres is going to be on its way, because I need to. Because I've dropped a bollock there, guys. So I need to get all that sorted. That windscreen is an absolute shit state. The camera's making it look really good, by the way. It isn't. It isn't. And I don't smoke either, so it's just minging. So yeah, there are your products, guys. I'm going to get cracking with this. Not an exciting video today, but it is what it works. What I want to show you. Kaboom. Have a good day. Enjoy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Son. Yes. And next one, hopefully I can show you the snow foam, because I'm going to buy some. Love you, bye.